Okay, so these are their current bags. Um, each of them is similar in size, with the distinction being the junior version, which is a transparent bag. Now we're not quoting these because this is their current format and they're behind the times. Sizes of the bags, they are 10.5 by 9 5/8. There's a gusset right there, which is 2.5 inches from the bottom. 2.5 inches from the bottom is a gusset on each one of these bags. On the bottom, they open. They have printing there on the inside. You see. But this is their current format, and they are obviously looking to get away from it because the other bags of the competitors are like these. Much more high-impact graphics. They still have the gusset here, but there's a tearaway seal and then a built-in resealable Ziploc. Now, this Ziploc obviously is a feature they got to look for, and you notice it's full printing in the front. Very nice presentation. Something similar on the back. And they have several mock-ups of these from their competition, their competitors. They're all similar in their format. They're gusseted there on the bottom so they'll stand. They've got a tearaway top, Ziploc there. And this is what they're looking for. They're looking for something of this type of presentation. Their current bags are being sealed by a stapler, and obviously that's not going to fly. The bags we're looking at here in terms of gauge, give me 1 second. Okay, in terms of thickness here, we're looking at 0.009 inches. Now that's a double width, or double cross section of the bag. I'm taking it right there. I'm not taking a cut on it. This particular size of the bag, and this is just to the Ziploc because it's got this tearaway here on the top. I'm not going to count. From the Ziploc down to the base is 10 3/4. So the full bag is probably somewhere in the area of that, which would put us at almost 12 inches in height. Width-wise, we're looking at 10 3/4, and then here they've got I don't know how well the resolution picks up on it, but I can see where the seal is here on the corner. There's a little band goes straight across if the light catches it. They have the same diagonal band over here, and the gusset there has the printing on the inside, as I was mentioning. And if you see here on the corners, they're not sealed all the way down, so it allows it to spread open and sit. I think their other gussets didn't have that feature, so they're obviously going to be looking for something like that. The gusset here we're talking about goes up just about 2 3/4 inches. Now all of these measurements are not critical. They're not critical for what we're looking at, but they've got to be a similar presentation. And these are from different places from around Mexico. Some of these are made further in Aguascalientes. Some of these are made in Chihuahua. One of their competitive brands is actually being made just down the street from them. Their product is better quality, but their presentation is not. So they're losing market share. So this is what we're looking at. They do 71,000 bags of these a month, and we've got to be trying to get them something with machinery as well to help them. Currently it is a manual packing line that is being stapled on the top, and the bags are being filled by hand as well. So I assume we've got quite a bit at our disposal in order to help us quote them a complete package, get the consumables and the machinery. So that's what we're looking at. I can take other photos and other measurements if needed, but with that I hope that's enough for us to get started. I have to get cost on this very, very soon.